everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Fueled by Foreigns, and today we got the Omega drag race. We are racing the Nissan GTR, has 1100 horsepower versus none other than the Taycan Turbo, all electric, so two absolute beasts. This should be a good one, so let's get right into this. Just some basic stats about this. It is 670 horsepower when you have it fully charged and it's in launch control. Other than that, it's around 616. So yeah, absolute freak. And today, are we putting it in launch control? Does it have everything it needs? Can you launch this or no? It cannot launch. It does not
I have stock axles.
Well, we might need to launch it to keep.
So no launch versus no launch.
No, I'll just turn it down to 800. I'll turn it down to 800.
I'll beat you at 800.
You won't beat me at 800.
All right, let him turn down to 800.
All right, he's turning down to 800 and we're not doing launch control. So let's get right into this shit.
We can talk about it after.
Yeah, I guess so.
Woo.
Ish, show me your best, put him to sleep. Sleepy. Ish gonna put him to sleep.
This is mine.
Oh, yeah.
No, bro, no.
Holy crap.
Ish
That's too much for the kids.
This ain't a kid's channel, my guy.
What do you mean it's not a kid's channel? Look at that. You got Brittany over there.
Okay. This shit rated R.
You should name it Brittany. That's so sick, dude.
Oh my God, I'm sure Marley would love that. Who's Brittany? What are your thoughts?
He's gonna get me off the line, but I'm just gonna reel him in like a big old bass.
All right, we're reeling him in. All right, let's go do this. Blake, what's your thoughts before takeoff?
The Taycan pulls him on the launch or the dig. He barely beats me from a 40 and then he rakes me from a 60.
All right. Guys, so I'm down here at the start. I'm gonna give you guys the starting angle of this race and we're gonna get right into this. So let's do this, boys, let's roll.
Round one, fight.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Dang, it looks like that GTR just took off like a rocket, guys. Wow, and that, if you're just watching our channel and you haven't seen any of our other videos, that Taycan is no slouch at all. We've put that car up against some pretty fast vehicles, pretty quick vehicles, and it's lightning quick. But what can you do? Well, we down-tuned the GTR to 800 horsepower, but it has the capability, it has the capacity for 1100 horsepower. But we turned it down just for the instance of being able to keep the car healthy and running strong for a little while. But at some point in time, we will boost them up to the 1100, and that should be cool.
That thing's fast. We got him in the dig like I thought we would. We got all that instant power, and then he caught us pretty quick, and then he left us by about 3 or 4 car lengths.
Round two, fight. Final round, fight!
is we're gonna do on the third honk, go, okay?
How could this happen to me?
And it looks like the GTR absolutely waxed that Taycan Turbo. No competition whatsoever. Wow.
All right, guys, you saw the dig, the 40 and the 60. As expected, the Taycan did run on the dig because the power is transmitted immediately to the wheels and it catches. There's no lag, there's no anything. It caught, it went, but soon after the GTR blew me away. We expected that though.
Yep.
So
I would have launched the car, but the car currently has the stock axles, so therefore no launch control today until I guess the extra money, you know, get the upgraded axles. But other than that, I reeled them in like a fish. The Taycan is no slouch, like he said. It's a fast car, like it is fast. Like it's like one of those things that just like hit you in the stomach. But other than that,
well, here, we'll explain it to you guys. The only thing that's beating this on the street is a Plaid. That's the only thing that's beating this. Any other stock motor from anywhere, Hellcats, even your Lamborghini Aventadors are gonna get crushed by this car. It just delivers the power as it should, and it's just an animal that you don't wanna mess with unless you have something like this.
Damn right, damn tootin'. You want to tell us a little bit about the anti-lag on the rolls and stuff?
Today I did not use anti-lag. I just rolled into boost. But I know if I would use anti-lag, it would have been a nightmare because the car would have just jumped out in front, you know, and I feel like it wouldn't be fair as it is, especially with it being turned down at 800.
That's the end of today's drag race video. And just to sum things up, the GTR was down-tuned from the dig and for the 40, but on the 60, he turned it back up to 11. So that's why in that 60 roll, you see this thing absolutely blitz the Taycan. It's ridiculous to see this thing on the road. Nothing here can compare with this car. Maybe an airplane, maybe a jet, but at the end of the day, yeah, like a friggin' Raptor.
Yeah, F-16 Raptor.
Yeah. Flying at like subspace level. Yeah. All right, anyways, again guys, you already know the GTR is a freak, whether it's stock or it's built. That's what it's known for, and the Taycan puts up a fight. As I told you guys, it's no slouch. It's raced all sorts of different cars on our channel now, and it just whomps them. So that just puts this thing in like hypercar status. The only thing that this car can really run with is if you have like a Veyron, and I still think it's beating a Veyron, Chiron, big boys. So you're just not beating it. But just like that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Peace. That's it.
That's it.
All right.